Me, man. Dude.
I'm very excited. Twice today.
Twice today.
Once with the saw blade Zap'leth, and once I'm going to give you the first sneak peek of Jason's. Jason is not known for safety.
That's very accurate.
So I thought, what if we made him a pool noodle version of a Zap'leth? Doesn't this look nice and innocent?
It does look innocent, but I assume it like shoots frozen tater tots.
Almost. It may be better. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide these off. We're gonna slide these off, and then I'll let you do the honors. You'll notice two black buttons right there.
Little buttons right there.
And if you'll hold those and just.
Yeah, hold still.
Okay, please stop. Yeah, just hold them both down. Let's get lighted up. What do you think? First impressions?
So there are training knives
Yeah.
that are basically this.
Yeah.
With the whole blade back.
Oh yeah. Okay. Just basically electric all the way down. So if people try to grab it or whatever.
Well, no, because you spar shirtless, and you have to trigger the hit as you come in.
Yikes.
Very, very Final Fantasy VIII gunblade. But because you can make a hit and not have zap, but if you hit the trigger like a quarter second before you hit them, you zap them as you hit them.
Wow.
So it's knife training. Very similar.
Light it up again, man.
Yeah.
So do you think Jason will approve?
Yeah. So it's smart because he can't, I guess he could try really hard to grab this and hit the button at the same time, but you can't be really grabbing this and hitting that same trigger side. So it's definitely a good modification there.
Oh, wow. Moving is another level.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay, so this build was actually pretty straightforward. I mostly used 1-inch PVC parts that were glued together, of course, so they wouldn't slip around. Single core wire that wires up a 3.7 volt battery, two of them actually, that plug into two different voltage amplifiers. The voltage amplifiers are 400 kV, so 400,000 volts, so they get pretty zappy. Trust me, I got myself once and it wasn't very pleasant. Also wired up the charging port so we could charge up the batteries. And look at those soldering skills. Oh my god, he's so good at soldering. Oh yeah, look at that smoke. And did some heat shrink. Oh my god, this guy's amazing. Little bit of drilling. Oh man. Oh look, zap. Ah. It was a little dangerous. This actually part right here with the foam noodles, pool noodles, this was actually probably the hardest part because I refused to actually think about what I'm doing and measuring things out and cut it appropriately. So I cut up like 5 of these noodles trying to get this thing fitted so it looked halfway decent. I ended up using red tape to start with to hold everything together, and then I didn't really like the looks of it. So I went back to the store and ended up getting some white duct tape and putting it all together. But cutting these angles was really the challenging part, and making sure it looked reasonably decent. And now it's time to hand it off to Jason.
All right, so I haven't seen anybody in a while, and then I get this at my doorstep. Cory said he was making me a treat. Here's the thing. And he did the razor blade Zap'leth thing, and so I was like, oh, it's cute. You made one for me. It's foam, because Jason always cuts himself. That's what I thought it was. And I was supposed to do this weeks ago. So my apologies. But then I'm told, no, pull these off. 4 of them. I thought there were just 2. But you've got the wire. I'm just gonna do it. Give me some like Star Trek music.
Okay, drill. Ready? Here comes danger. Prepare to attack it.
Ready.
Ready. Here's some danger. Enemies. Enemies. Oh my gosh. Here comes a combat. It's happening. Danger. Oh my gosh, danger is happening. So much danger. Ah, get the danger. Defeat the danger.
I don't know. This is going next to the front door. The Murphy household is protected.
All right, so now it's time to show off this bad boy to Jeff and John. They haven't seen it up and going yet, so let's see if we can get their reactions. John hasn't seen the two blades.
He hasn't seen the. Okay.
Either one. So I think we should show it off. What do you think?
All right. Let's go. Hey, John.
Yeah, we'll come inside. I got something to show you.
Okay.
Jeff, why don't you hand him that one? All right, John. First impressions of the
I love Worf. Lieutenant Worf was awesome. I'm not touching that if you're trying to handle it. Well, I am.
But it's a saw blade batleth. Look at it.
That is pretty awesome. I like it a lot.
You're really not gonna hold this.
This isn't a bit. I'm not grabbing it.
All
I
right.
appreciate the craftsmanship. I'm not gonna handle it. That is pretty awesome, but
Perfect. All right, now Jeff, you have not seen this one.
I've not seen the finished product. I
So-
helped you build the original.
Yes. And this is not the finished product. I think I'm gonna upgrade the tape and stuff. But, anyways, I'm gonna hand this to you,
Okay.
and then
okay. See, the fact that I feel comfortable, the fact that I'm like, oh yeah,
I don't know why you feel comfortable at all.
because it feels like a con.
it
feels
is.
like
It's gonna get that crazy here in a few seconds.
So let's just go ahead and just take a couple of these off. Not that one. All right, now Jeff, if you could, John, if you could take one step that way so I can get you, one of you off. Yeah, there we go.
All right.
Now,
I'm so scared.
there you go.
I'm so scared. Are you ready?
Hit it, Jeff. Yep.
Me, man. Dude. What the hell? I don't want to hold this anymore.
So what do you think?
It is terrifying.
The Zap'leth, the Zap'leth?
Zap'leth.
I'm not smelling anything scary, but yeah. So I'm not smelling any telltale signs of we need to get out of the building, but
Yeah.
It's
Sweet.
scary as shit. For sure.
So since thinking about it, just doing it, Jeff, that fly is on my face. Did you get it?
No.
It's on my forehead, above my left eye. Is it?
I think it's on your hat.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
This fly knows